Here's the corrected version of the passage. I stood before the full-length mirror in my dorm and scanned myself for errors, scouring my outfit for loose threads. I tried to see myself through my mother's shrewd eyes, pinpointing the parts of me she'd pick apart. I wanted to impress her. I wanted to return as an adult. My mother prepared for our reunions in her own way, marinating short ribs 2 days before my arrival. She filled the fridge with my favorite side dishes and bought my favorite radish kimchi weeks in advance, leaving it out on the counter for a day so it was extra fermented and tart by the time I got home. Tender short ribs, soused in sesame oil, sweet syrup, and soda, caramelized in the pan, filling the kitchen with a rich, smoky scent. My mother rinsed fresh red leaf lettuce and set it on the glass-top coffee table in front of me, then brought out the banchan. Hard-boiled soy sauce eggs sliced in half, crunchy bean sprouts flavored with scallions and sesame oil, doenjang jjigae with extra broth, and chonggak kimchi, perfectly soured. Julia, the golden retriever we'd had since I was 12, fell onto her back, paws up, submitting her giant stomach in a pose my mother always referred to as breasts up, while my mother grilled the galbi I would always associate with the taste of home. Julia is getting fat, I said, running my hand over her protruding belly. You're feeding her too much. I only give her dog food, and just a little bit of rice. She's a Korean dog. She loves her rice. Blissfully, I laid my palm flat, blanketed it with a piece of lettuce, and dressed it just the way I liked. A piece of glistening short rib, a spoonful of warm rice, a dredge of shamjang, and a thin slice of raw garlic. I folded it into a perfect little satchel and popped it into my mouth. I closed my eyes and savored the first few chews, my taste buds and stomach having been deprived for months of a home-cooked meal. This version corrects the structure and flow of the original text for clarity. 해석. 나는 내 기숙사 방의 전신 거울 앞에 서서 내 옷차림을 점검했다. 실밥을 찾아내기 위해 내 옷을 샅샅이 살폈다. 나는 나를 어머니의 예리한 시선으로 보려 했다. 그녀가 나를 어떻게 평가할지 예상하며 그녀가 흠을 잡을 부분을 짚어내려 했다. 나는 어머니를 감동시키고 싶었다. 나는 어른으로 돌아가고 싶었다. 어머니는 나를 맞이하기 위해 자신만의 방식으로 준비하셨다. 내가 도착하기 이틀 전에 갈비를 양념해 두셨고 내 즐겨 먹는 반찬들로 냉장고를 채우셨다. 내가 좋아하는 무김치는 몇 주 전에 미리 사두시고 내가 집에 도착할 때쯤에는 더 잘 발효되어 시큼한 맛이 나도록 상온에 꺼내 두셨다. 참기름, 달콤한 시럽, 소다에 재운 부드러운 갈비가 팬에서 캐러멜화되며 부엌은 진한 훈제 향으로 가득 찼다. 어머니는 신선한 적상추를 씻어서 유리탁자에 올려두셨고 반찬도 함께 준비하셨다. 반으로 잘린 간장에 절인 삶은 달걀, 대파와 참기름으로 간을 맞춘 아삭한 콩나물, 국물이 진한 된장찌개, 완벽하게 신맛이 도는 총각김치가 준비되어 있었다. 우리가 12살 때부터 키우던 골든 리트리버 줄리아는 등을 대고 누워 배를 드러내며 어머니가 늘 가슴업! 이라고 부르는 자세로 우리 앞에 누워 있었다. 어머니가 구운 갈비는 언제나 집의 맛을 떠올리게 했다. 줄리아 살이 찌고 있어요. 나는 튀어나온 그녀의 배를 쓰다듬으며 말했다. 너무 많이 먹이는 거 아니에요? 난 그냥 게 사료만 줘. 그리고 약간의 밥만 줘. 얘는 한국 개라서 밥을 좋아하거든. 나는 만족스럽게 손바닥을 펴서 상추 한 장을 깔고 반짝이는 갈비 한 점, 따뜻한 밥 한 숟가락, 쌈장을 한 스푼, 얇게 썬 생마늘 한 조각을 얹어 내가 좋아하는 방식으로 쌈을 만들었다. 나는 그것을 완벽한 작은 보따리처럼 접어 입에 넣었다. 몇 번 씹을 때마다 눈을 감고 몇 달간 집밥을 먹지 못했던 내 미각과 위장이 고향의 맛을 음미하며 기뻐했다. 샅샅이 살피다, 훑다. 2. shrewd, 예리한, 날카로운. 3. impress, 감동시키다, 깊은 인상을 주다. 4. marinating, 양념에 재우다. 5. fermented, 발효된. 6. caramelized, 캐러멜화되다 단맛이 나도록 익히다. 7. scent, 향기, 냄새. soured, 신맛이 나다 발효되다. 9. protruding, 튀어나온 불룩한. 10. blissfully, 행복하게 기쁨에 차서. 이 글은 주인공이 어머니와 재회하기 위해 집으로 돌아가는 장면을 다룬다. 주인공은 어른이 된 모습을 어머니에게 보여주고 싶어하며 어머니는 주인공이 좋아하는 음식을 미리 준비해 놓으셨다. 이 장면은 가족의 사랑과 음식을 통해 다시 연결되는 모습을 보여준다. 집으로 돌아온 주인공은 오랜만에 집밥을 먹으며 그리웠던 고향의 맛을 만끽한다. 탐구 질문. 주인공이 어머니에게 어른으로 보이고 싶어 한 이유는 무엇일까요? Why did the protagonist want to appear as an adult to their mother? 어머니가 주인공을 위해 음식을 미리 준비한 것의 의미는 무엇일까요? What is the significance of the mother preparing food in advance for the protagonist? 음식과 가족의 사랑이 주인공에게 어떤 감정을 불러일으켰나요? How did the food and the love of family evoke emotions in the protagonist? These exploration questions aim to delve deeper into the emotions and themes presented in the passage, allowing readers to reflect on family, love, and cultural connections through food. Summary in English. The passage describes the protagonists' return home and their desire to impress their mother by showing that they have matured. The mother, in her own way, has prepared for the reunion by making the protagonist's favorite dishes in advance. The scene is filled with sensory details, especially regarding the food, which symbolizes love, care, and family connection. The protagonist finds comfort and joy in eating the home-cooked meal, feeling the familiar taste of home after a long absence. Exploration questions and answers in English. 1. Why did the protagonist want to appear as an adult to their mother? Answer. Protagonist wanted to show their mother that they had grown and matured during their time away from home. They desired to be seen not as a child anymore, but as an independent adult who could thrive on their own. Impressing their mother was important to the protagonist, as it symbolized receiving validation for their growth. What is the significance of the mother preparing food in advance for the protagonist? Answer. The mother's preparation of food in advance signifies her deep care and love for the protagonist. By making their favorite dishes and ensuring everything was ready for their return, the mother expresses affection without words. This act shows her understanding of the protagonist's tastes and needs, creating a sense of warmth and belonging when they return home. How did the food and the love of family evoke emotions in the protagonist? Answer. The food and family love evoked a deep sense of nostalgia, comfort, and happiness in the protagonist. After being away for so long, the familiar taste of the home-cooked meal reminded them of the warmth of home and the unconditional love of their mother. It was a moment of reconnection, both with their cultural roots and their family, providing emotional healing and satisfaction.